Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Masters. As in this video, you will find the most beautiful haircut transformation for black guys. If you are looking for some satisfying or AFMR haircut transformation, I think you are in the right place. Don't skip this video. Watch this video till then and enjoy. These haircuts are just insane, and it's really satisfying to watch. And this barber got amazing skills, and the way that barber doing haircut are very satisfying, and I love that process, the way he cuts hair. And wow, that was crispiest haircut transformation. I just love it. If you're exploring some new haircut ideas, I think the Barber Masters is the right channel for you, because we have uploaded like hundreds of videos in our channel. And if you are a barber or just looking for some new hairstyle, or you are just love to watch that type of haircut transformation, I think you have to subscribe our channel and just visit our other videos. And yes, you will inspire. These barbers are just saving lives. They are always ready to give you a top-notch haircut. Guys, if you haven't find a right barber, I think you have to try at least one of these barber if you're luckily near this barber, because they are just flawless and they got flawless skills. And I will recommend you to just visit that barber, and I will mention this barber in my description box, and you have to just visit that barber. The most beautiful haircut transformation ever. I think only a barber have that talent, that the barber can make us happy and beautiful at the same time. Because whenever we go to the barber shop, we need a perfect haircut. That haircut should suit on our face shape. And if we got that type of talented barber, I think we are lucky to have that type of barber. Never ever cheat that type of barber who knows your face shape, who knows your hair type, and who always ready to give you a perfect haircut according to your face shape.